Here is a fun little thing you can do as a personal trainer that can really help boost your business. Now, if you work for a commercial gym, they have probably already provided you with a uniform. However, if you work for yourself, go to your local print shop, get a t-shirt or a hoodie made, and get the words personal trainer or coach just stamped on the back. Walk around with this t-shirt on, wear this hoodie everywhere you go all the time. This is one of the simplest little marketing tools that you have in your back pocket that can not only start conversations with new people, but they can also create new leads for your business. Let's say you're walking through a food court and you're wearing a shirt that says personal trainer on the back. Someone's going to want to come up to you and ask you, hey, what's the healthiest option for me in this food court? I'm trying to lose weight. This has happened to me many times. Now, this does not mean every conversation will lead to a new client. However, every conversation is a prospect. Every conversation you have with someone under the premise of them knowing that you are a personal trainer can lead to new business for you. It's a fun little thing to do. Take pride in what you do, and you never know what opportunities it might unravel for you.